walking through the farm machinery exhibit at the La Rural Agricultural Fair in Buenos Aires. As you can see, farming in Argentina is big business, and you have a large number of local equipment providers manufacturing an entire range of farm products. And farming here is an activity with the best brains and large scale. And the size of these machines is a testament to that. Argentina has the most efficient agribusiness complex in the world, and because of a long history of the government imposing taxes on agriculture, probably one of the few places where farmers are taxed, it has forced companies here to be at the cutting edge of innovation. Valterra, a local maker of a large-scale tractor. It says 50 years in South America. Here's a machine called golondrine, which means sparrow in Spanish. It's like a spraying machine. Here's a machine where grain is dumped after harvesting. It's a grain loader. Called Metal 4, very respected brand in farm machinery. Here's a direct seeding machine. Actually, this is a harvesting machine. Here's a company's ad that says El campo evolucionó, nosotros también. The farm evolved, and so did we. Monster machines. For large scale farming operations. This is a company promotes satellite-based seeding systems where soil maps are fed into the seeding machine and only the right amount of seeds which are appropriate to a given soil area are planted. And typically the machines can work at night on autopilot. A baling machine. Very impressive, the level of technology that's being displayed here. This of course is a smaller machines, riding mowers. Weeders and direct seeders. Industrial size fire or two hoses. Another Argentine company. This machine is right out of Star Trek. This is the first company involved in precision agricultural projects. Seems like a company consortium.